Hey there, Joseph here, welcoming you to another Stukent expert session. Today we have the privilege of hearing from Anna Semyanova. Anna works for the Instagram marketing smart tool company Combin. As Combin's webinar host, Anna will be sharing with us how to integrate Instagram stories into our marketing. We're so excited to hear from you today, Anna. Take it away.
Hi there, my name is Anne and I'm a marketing manager and a webinar host for Combin team. I love everything connected to social media and Instagram marketing in particular, and today I will tell you how to integrate Instagram stories into your marketing. Personality, engagement, interactivity and customization, these are just a few of the many exciting ways to describe Instagram stories. So if Insta stories are on your social media agenda in the near future, how can you make the most of them? Let's check it out now together. The first way to do this is to run tutorials. Tutorials are a great way to make the most of the stories feature. A tutorial could be something as simple as short how-to video, or it could be more interesting like a product demonstration. Either way, educational content is a proven way to pique the interest of your audience on Instagram. The sequential nature of stories makes tutorials an interactive and highly engaging experience for your followers. For example, check out this snapshot of a step-by-step ice cream recipe that Delish released via stories. Makeup brand Sephora even has a whole section reserved for tutorials in their stories highlights. Another way to use stories for your business is to use user-generated content. User-generated content is considerably more memorable than other types of content such as ads or brand-generated content. The reason is simple. User-generated content reflects the true feelings of relatable individuals who actually use your products or services. Here is an example of how user-generated content can be used in your Insta stories from health and fitness training company 28 by Sam Wood. They have repurposed a before and after photo from one of their customers' Instagram feeds. Another excellent way of collecting user-generated content in your stories is to use a unique company hashtag. For example, clothing brand French Connection has a Stories Highlights tab for their hashtag MyFrenchConnection, where they show off customers and celebrities wearing their clothes. On top of people using your products and highlighting the benefits of your business, you can also use stories to share testimonials or positive customer feedback. We will talk about this a little bit later. The third way to integrate stories to your business is to use behind-the-scenes contents. Shining the light on your employees or taking your audience behind the scenes into the workings of your business can help humanize your brand and build real trust with your followers. This kind of story may be as simple as day in the life, but you can take it up a level like French Connection by showcasing the entire photo shoot of a new collection. Another cool feature you should never forget about is polls. A cool feature of Insta Stories is the ability to run simple polls with your audience. Polls are an interactive way to engage users and oftentimes capture valuable information you can use in future marketing efforts. Food delivery service HelloFresh regularly runs polls and quizzes via Instagram stories. An interesting fact, they actually encourage participants to swipe up to finish as a way of converting followers from Instagram into subscribers on their website. One more way to integrate stories in your business is to give special announcements. Given their prominence on both Instagram and Facebook, stories are a perfect place to make special announcements or run promotions. For example, if you have a new product line coming out, or if you are planning a Black Friday sale, or if you are running a giveaway, the urgency factor of stories makes a desirable distribution channel. Now you can see how beauty brand Frank Body leveraged stories to announce the release of a new range of face products. The sixth way is customer feedback. So the interactivity and high engagement levels of Instagram stories means that they are custom-made for obtaining valuable feedback from your customers. If you are eager to get product, service, or any other feedback from your customers, consider running a poll on Instagram stories or even a live interactive Q&A session. Uber, for example, ran a Q&A session about driver and rider safety, where people could ask any questions they wanted. And the last tip for today is Timebound Deals. I've mentioned the urgency factor of Insta Stories on a few occasions during this video, and there is no better way to make the most of this than by offering a time-bound deal or a discount. Due to their disappearing nature, you can do mini promotions on Instagram Stories that create urgency and entice your followers to take action immediately. If you, for example, are an e-commerce brand who runs flash sales, Black Friday sales, or other seasonal promotions, consider promoting them via Instagram stories. Here you can see how French Connection included an event-relevant coupon code in one of their stories. These simple examples are just a small selection of the ways you can use Instagram stories in your marketing efforts. To make stories work for your business, you need to really understand how to design, create, distribute, and engage with this feature to maximize performance. If you're looking for a fast and safe way to promote your Instagram account, you should try out Combin. Combin desktop application helps you find target audience on influencers in a few seconds. Many filtering and sorting options are available to make search results more precise. Moreover, the app works in accordance with Instagram daily and hourly limits, and it prevents you from being blocked or flagged by Instagram. You can always give it a try on Combin.com. Also, when speaking about Instagram promotion, it's advisable to have a look at Combin's Scheduler. The app helps you plan a schedule so your posts or stories hit your target demographic at key times. Save your precious time and get promoted. Thank you for your attention, guys. Have a good day!